Hey guys, welcome back. I'm super excited that you're here today because I'm going to be unboxing this Mavic 2 Pro. I can't wait to try it out and use it in my photography. So stick around, I'm excited to share it with you guys. The Mavic 2 Pro, some of the biggest upgrades on this are the 1-inch Hasselblad sensor. It's also 20 megapixels now, which is awesome. The other really big benefit is the 31-minute flight time, so that's a big upgrade as well. So let's open this bad boy up and check it out. Ooh, I'm so excited. This is what the inside of the box looks like. We got all of our pieces in there. Let's start taking stuff out. Okay, so this looks like a little Chinese food box. Kind of excited about that. I'm hungry. Let me get another box here. We have the controller, a little bigger than previous models, but very cool. Opens up like that. The joystick nozzles go in here, and then you can just pop them right on, so it's very packable. We have one more box in here. It looks like the propellers and the manuals. So you can see that. Let's pull out the drone. Yay. Okay. All right. Oh, it's a lot lighter than I expected. It's not very heavy at all. This is the camera, and the protector is on there right now. Let's pull the legs open. Oh, that is not too big at all. I was expecting it to be much bigger. So we have our directional sensors all over here. Very cool. This is the battery up top here. A little bigger than the previous battery, but that's because it's got the 31-minute battery, so it's got a lot longer life. Longer flight time. All right. Let's see what's in the boxes over here. Okay, this looks like an accessories for the controller, extra nozzles, extra joysticks. Not Chinese food, but we'll see what's in here. Okay, so it's the cable for charging the battery. All right, now I'm excited to get out there and try this out. Okay guys, thank you for joining me for the unboxing of this Mavic 2 Pro. And be sure to leave me a comment down in the comment section about what you'd like to see in the future and how you like this video. And as always, please like and subscribe.